Junebug, I remember everything. Them blue carpeted floors, the tall wooden doors. I held you in my arms. Junebug, I'd burn down a picture of a house, say it was ours, when we didn't need it anymore. And that was when I loved you best. We were kids then, we shouldn't think about the rest. You'd put the moon in a basket on your bike front by the coast. The way you faced it up in pale grief, you were a ghost. You liked to play with darkness, all the universe could give. I was the home you once tried to escape the dark in which you lived. Soon they'd find you lying there at 7 different homes. They'd find you lying on their porches. Do you need to use the phone? And lure you into their rooms. That was the last I heard of June. And that was love I could not allow. You were beautiful then, you're just a cold job now.
I spend my time just thinking about you. Every single day, guess I'm really missing you. And all those things we used to do. Hey girl, what's up? It used to be just me and you.
I spend my time just thinking about you. Every single day, guess I'm really missing you. And all those things we used to do. Hey girl, what's up, yo? What's up, what's up,
Can you meet me
what's up?
halfway? Right at the borderline is where I'm going away. For you, I'll be looking out night and day. Took my heart to the limit, and this is where I'll stay. I can't go any further than this. I want you so bad, it's my only wish.
Girl, I travel around the world and even sail the 7 seas. Across the universe and go to other galaxies. Just tell me where to go, just tell me where you wanna meet. I navigate myself to take me where you be. Cause girl, I want you right now. I travel uptown, I travel downtown. Wanna have you around, like every single day. I love you always,
Can
I'll
you
meet
meet
you
me
halfway.
halfway?